Philippine Ethnic Art. Ethnic art in the Philippines are produced through skilled craftsmanship using natural materials, like indigenous musical instruments, are carefully made by hand from materials found in nature, like bamboo skins, to provide unique sounds. Philippine Spanish period. The Philippine Spanish period refers to the even when the Philippines was under Spanish colonial rule lasting from 1521 when Ferdinand Magellan first arrived until 1898 when the Spanish-American War ended, significantly imprinting Filipino culture by introducing Catholicism, language, new architectural style, and a system governments that heavily influenced the country's social, including the conventional emotion system for and ownership. This period also saw numerous resistance movement against Spanish rule Filipino, culminating in the Philippine Revolution and the developer Declaration of Independence. The arrival of the Americans in the Philippines. The arrival of Americans in the Philippines occurred during the Spanish-American War, when Commodore George Dewey, commanding the U.S. Asiatic Squadrons, take into Manila Bay on May 1, 1898, and decisively defeated the Spanish fleet, accorded their feasibility, marking the beginning of American presence in the archipelago. This victory led to Spain ceding the Philippines to the United States in the Treaty of Paris, making the Philippines an American colony.